And if you look on the old alternator, it looks like it's on the opposite side, so we don't even have the right alternator. Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today's video, we have a 2007 Lincoln Town Car. We're going to do an alternator replacement. It's going to take us maybe a half hour. It's a very easy job, and I'm actually only charging him the minimum 1 hour labor, which is 65 bucks. Oh, we're just going to jump right into this. We're going to go ahead and remove the negative cable. Once we get that off, we're going to remove the positive cable as well. There's both 10 millimeters. Here I'm showing you your belt tensioner. And this is where you put your 3/8 inch ratchet. You put it in there, pull it to the right, clockwise, and it'll take the tension off the belt so you can remove your serpentine belt. Once you have removed, you can go ahead and let that back down. Now we're going to be taking this top cap off. It's a 10 millimeter nut. Once you remove that, then you take the cable and place it to the side. Also, the bolt on the left and right, both of these are 10 millimeter as well. So go ahead and disconnect them from the alternator. We'll have two more bolts down here at the bottom, and these are as well 10 millimeters. So all four bolts are 10 millimeter, and the nut is a 10 millimeter as well. Now I'll go ahead and loosen these. You don't have to take the bottom two all the way out. All you gotta do is loosen them about halfway out. Last thing we gotta do is get the sensor unclipped on the back. Get you a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna pry out on the little tab, and then you're gonna pull it straight out. Once you do that, now you can take the old alternator and set it down. Getting our new one out, we're going to match them up. From the front, they look pretty good. But if you look at the top, the old one, you can see the white clip is on the left side as you're looking at it. The new one is on the right side as you're looking at it. So these are two totally different alternators. That's why I actually like taking the old alternator off first and taking it in and matching it up at the store. I'm dying. It's hotter than a motherfucker. And that right there is why you check your parts when you're switching them out. Because if you look at the face of them, I mean, they look exactly the same. It bolts up. Everything's the same, except the connector. Connector's on the right side. The other one's connector on the left. So by looking at it, you wouldn't tell, you know. Luckily, I caught it before I put it on. Well, we're back on the road to AutoZone. We had to pack up all of our tools, talk to the customer. Now we're headed back. Hopefully they have it in stock. It's supposed to be an easy job. It was only $65 that we was charging, so this isn't how it was supposed to go. Luckily, they did have it in stock. All right, well, now we're back on scene, putting the right alternator in. As you can see, the sensor's where it's supposed to be, or the connector is. First thing we did was put the connector in, actually. Set the alternator on them two bolts that we didn't take out all the way. Putting the two 10 millimeters on top, through the bracket into the alternator. Here's a better view from up top, as you can see the bolts through the bracket into the alternator. So go ahead and tighten them down. Remember, all four of them are 10 millimeter. Now we're at the bottom two bolts. Go ahead and snug them up. Now we got that finished up. Go ahead and put the cable back on. Then grab your 10 millimeter nut. Go ahead and tighten it down. Now don't over tighten it, because if you do, you're going to be in a world of trouble. So just tighten it up till it's nice and snug. Now we're going to put the serpentine belt back on. Put your 3/8 inch ratchet into the belt tensioner. Move it to the right. Grab the belt and slide it back onto the alternator pulley. That's the one we took it off. Should have a sticker for the serpentine belt diagram. If not, you can simply Google what year, make, and model the car is and what kind of engine it is, and it'll give you the diagram. All right, putting the battery back on. So grab your positive cable first. Tighten that down. Coming over now, grab the negative cable. Put that on. Both of them are 10 millimeter. Tighten them up. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. It was a tough one. We thought it was going to be easy, but that's part of the job sometimes. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. In the comments, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. And like always, simplify till next time.